Look at this Roborock S7 MaxV. Just look at it. It looks like there's absolutely nothing wrong with this base, right? But why isn't the water from the robot vacuum being lifted up into the base? So what's the issue? Is the robot broken? Is the tank leaking? Let's talk about what's actually happening. Did you know that inside this Ultra dock is a complex network of tubes and a high-pressure pump? This pump is responsible for lifting that water to wash the mop and refill the robot. If that pump fails, or if there's a leak in the internal vacuum line, the water just stays right there. But here's the scary part. If that dirty water sits there and overflows, it can seep into the base's internal electronics. Now you aren't just looking at a puddle, you're looking at a potential short circuit. Talk about a damp mood. Now I know what you're thinking. I watched video tutorial, I can fix this myself lah. Wait! This is where things get risky. Most people misdiagnose it. Is it the pump? Or is it a faulty PCB? Guessing wrong means buying parts you don't need and potentially stripping screws that weren't meant to be moved. Why spend hours watching confusing tutorials and risking further damage to your expensive gear? At RoboCare, we provide expert service that builds trust. We know these machines inside and out, so you don't have to. We don't just guess. We use specialized diagnostic tools to confirm it's the pump and replace it with genuine parts. Look at that! Hear that sound? That's the sound of a healthy base station doing its job. The water is lifting perfectly, the sink is clean, and the owner didn't have to lift a finger, except to call us. When you choose RoboCare, you aren't just getting a repair, you're getting peace of mind and extending the life of your home's favorite helper. Get your Roborock S7 MaxV the expert care it deserves. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.